This virus has swept through China, Europe, and the US, leaving behind staggering rates of morbidity and mortality. In recent days, we've started to see the number of cases spike in the developing world. I'm Leslie Smith, Director of Health and Medical Affairs with Steelhead Composites, and we're here today to share our innovation in addressing shortages of medical oxygen and power to any location in the world treating COVID patients. Steelhead Composites is an aerospace composites company with our lightweight pressure vessels deployed from the depths of the ocean to outer space. We have over 100 customers, and our tanks are on every continent with the exception of Antarctica. Since early March, the media has bombarded us with story after story on inadequate supplies of personal protective and medical device equipment, including the most important product of all, oxygen. As COVID attacks the respiratory system, most hospitalizations require oxygen therapy. While current discussions focus on the overuse of ventilators, oxygen delivery through less invasive means is a best practice treatment in cases both during infection and recovery. With such a great need for oxygen, Steelhead is proud to take our aerospace quality system and manufacturing capabilities and introduce our mobile power and oxygen solution for COVID-19. We have designed a swappable trailer system using both our lightweight high-pressure hydrogen tanks and medical oxygen tanks. To fill the vessels, we are working with electrolysis. Electrolysis has long been used by NASA to maintain oxygen supply on the International Space Station. If current is introduced to water, it results in H2O becoming O2, oxygen for breathing, and H2, hydrogen for power. This solution is critical for the developing world and pop-up hospitals, which do not have the infrastructure adequate for power and oxygen to save lives. We are looking for capital, partners, and support in rapidly testing and deploying this life-saving system. As time is of the essence, by becoming a system-level provider, we address the problem straight on and offer this end-use solution for rapid integration. The great thing about this innovation is that we can not only save lives during COVID, but we can take this concept to the moon. As ice has been confirmed on the moon poles, we could melt and electrolyze the lunar ice, capturing the oxygen and the hydrogen. We can store the oxygen for breathing air for manned missions and then store the hydrogen for propulsion. Steelhead has a legacy in hydrogen storage, and with our newest pivot, is quickly adding lightweight medical oxygen storage. While this life-saving technology was inspired by the current crisis, its reach can go far beyond our world by enabling a lunar refueling station. Thank you for your time and consideration. We welcome your support in bringing this worldwide humanitarian aid solution to fruition.